Not long ago, the idea of cheap noise-canceling headphones felt like a technological fantasy. Effective active noise cancellation, ANC, was reserved only for headphones costing hundreds of dollars. Thanks to the inevitable progression of time, or, more accurately, technology, that's no longer the case. Today, you can get a bargain on a pair of headphones and still land a whole lot of goodies, including noise cancellation that would have beaten some of the best pairs on the market just a few years back. Below, we've collected the best cheap noise-canceling earbuds that will play your tunes, quiet your environment, and do much more, all at a relatively minuscule price. Number 1. Trublab Z7 Pro Wireless. Trublab Z7 Pro headphones are a refreshingly stacked option at a surprisingly good price. Yes, you'll likely pay more than $100 for these cans, but considering flagship headphones with this many extras often run well over $300, and sometimes over $600, this is a fabulous package, and the best over-ear is flush with features. First and foremost is the Z7 Pro's noise cancellation, which really impresses for the money. These headphones tend to do best with low-frequency sounds, which are eliminated to a low hum, while high-frequency sounds tend to slip through more easily. The Z7 Pro headphones are loaded elsewhere, too, with a clear yet powerful sound profile, extras like multi-point pairing so you can connect to and switch between two source devices, and a trim and comfy design. Controls are handled via easy swipe commands, parodying Sony's similarly styled WH-1000XM4, and the headphones will play for up to 45 hours with noise cancelling on, ranking among the market's top offerings. Number 2. Soundpeats D3 Earbuds. When we first tried the Soundpeats D3, it was hard not to marvel at them. Priced leagues below budget noise-canceling earbuds from years past, these true wireless earbuds provide a slick and intuitive experience with relatively good sound, simple and accessible controls, solid features, and a light and airy fit. Tacking on decent noise cancelling to this package seemed too good to be true. The T3's bass-forward sound isn't going to wow the most discerning listeners, but it's clear, accessible, and free from overt issues like flabby low frequencies or screeching treble. The controls are effective and responsive, even offering options many pricier earbuds skip like volume control. While there's no controller app or autopause, these buds sport a few handy extras, including the ability to use one earbud at a time. At this price, you really can't do much better for noise-canceling earbuds with all the essentials, making the Soundpeats D3 a top choice for budget-conscious buyers. Number 3. Anker Soundcore Life Q30 Wireless. Anker's Soundcore headphones have made a name for themselves thanks to excellent performance at very competitive pricing, and the Life Q30 wireless headphones are a sterling example. These headphones may not have it all, but they've got the goods where it counts, including impressive noise cancellation and seriously stellar battery life at well under $100. That battery life is worth celebrating, as it's among the best on the market. The Q30 headphones are also pleasantly packable thanks to a foldable design and a durable carrying case. The headphones are on the heavy side, but the ear cups offer plenty of padding, and the fit is firm and stable. Like other favorites in Anker's arsenal, the Life Q30's features can be unlocked by a powerful mobile app for iOS and Android, which is useful for adjusting settings and EQ. On that note, picky listeners will likely want to adjust the bass, which can sometimes be overwhelming out of the box. Number 4. Anker Soundcore Liberty 4NC. When it comes to crazy good noise cancellation on a budget, it's hard to compete with Anker's Soundcore Liberty 4NC. These earbuds offer serious silencing abilities, especially for sounds like airplane hums and fans, which are all but eliminated to a soft whisper. That's just the tip of the earbud's iceberg here, as there's plenty of other features to explore. Some standout extras include a Qi wireless charging case, autopause sensors, and the ability to fully customize the sound to your liking manually or via the app's Hear ID sound system to automatically customize it. The multi-band EQ definitely comes in handy, letting you shore up some boomy bass and a snappy upper register for smooth and pleasing sound quality. You can also customize the controls, allowing for a comprehensive layout that offers all the functions you might need, however you like it. Speaking of the controls, they can be a little hit or miss, meaning you'll really have to be deliberate to activate them on the go. That's one of the few drawbacks to this loaded package. Number 5. One More Sonoflow. One More is another budget brand known for punching well above its weight, and the Sonoflow noise-canceling headphones live up to that reputation. The big headline here is battery life, which is simply astounding at 50 hours with ANC and a whopping 70 hours without it. But plenty more to these headphones makes them well worth considering. These cans pack in great style for their class. And speaking of packing, they're easy to bring along thanks to a foldable design and a heavy-duty carrying case. The controls are a bit hard to navigate, but they get the job done, and you'll find a bounty of features to futz within the One More mobile app, including multiple EQ modes and even a variety of soundscapes. You'll also get some great convenience features, including multi-point pairing to connect to dual-source devices at once, and the ability to plug the headphones in for wired connection. If you need great budget noise cancellers that keep the party going for days at a time, the One More Sonoflow headphones are an excellent choice.